Well, tonight, a massive data breach is putting the personal information of 1 million Corewell Health patients at risk in Southeast Michigan.
The hack targeted Welltok, which is a company used by Corewell Health for patient communications.
In all, it affects about 8.5 million people across the U.S.
7 Action News reporter Ruta Olsenida is in Royal Oak tonight digging into the potential impact.
Unfortunately, a big chunk of that nearly 8.5 million people affected are from Michigan. You may have been one of the over 1 million to receive this letter notifying you that your personal information has been breached.
It was very upsetting.
As far as Laura Pasquinelli knows, she has never had her personal information stolen before. But that all changed this week when she received this letter from Welltok, notifying her of the massive Corewell data breach.
So it does have me concerned. Social security numbers, all kinds of things.
Yeah, all the important stuff.
Right, exactly.
About 2,500 Priority Health members were impacted, their names, addresses, and other personal information compromised. And about 1 million Corewell Health patients, that includes Beaumont hospitals, had their names, date of birth, even social security numbers impacted. So what do hackers want with all of that information?
Individuals who are engaging in the attack know that they can sell the data that they acquire for money.
According to cybercrime and security expert Tom Holt, right now is the time to set up systems in place to track all your accounts.
At the moment, the best things that you can do are to obviously put fraud alerts onto your accounts with the major credit bureaus. That's an easy thing to do in the event that, say, you've lost your social security number or your personal information that could be used to try to set up new financial accounts.
Welltok officials say their security concerns are resolved and they are not aware of any instances of fraud or identity theft from this event. We also reached out to Corewell Health, who said in a statement, quote, Welltok is communicating directly with the individuals whose data was affected by the attack, and credit monitoring is available to all impacted people. It's something Laura says she'll utilize as she feels left in the dark.
They were making it sound like it wasn't as serious as it is, but I think there's more to it.
And Tom Holt adds that unfortunately, hospital systems are easy targets. Think of all the information you have to provide when visiting a hospital for getting treatment and then paying for it. If you have any additional questions about the breach, there is a phone number at the bottom of that letter as Corewell Health looks to resolve this. In Royal Oak, I'm Ruta Olsenida, 7 Action News.